what's up guys? I'm out here in the heart of Beverly Hills at the Rodeo Drive Concours d'Elegance 2023. This is among the largest automotive events in the world, and it's here in Beverly Hills on this beautiful day. Check this out. You'll see the incredible energy. Yeah, we're out here enjoying ourselves, finally enjoying some sun in Southern California. This event is held annually here in the heart of Beverly Hills on Rodeo Drive. You'll see some of the most classic cars and supercars in the world. And it's an incredible event. It's a lot of fun, and this is the day to really see the beauty of it. Here it is. Check it out one more time.
And I need you on the sidewalk as quickly as possible. We need to clear out these cars. The drivers are in the car.